Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of the One Pot Rice Recipe series. And today's dish is the classic Andhra style vegetable pulao. It is a simple yet flavorful dish that is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even for a special occasion. If you have missed the other recipes in this series, do check out the links to those videos in the description below. And if you are new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such delicious recipes. So let us get started and bring the taste of Andhra Pradesh to your kitchen. Wash 1 cup of basmati rice and soak for 20 minutes. Here I have kept the vegetables ready. I have taken fresh peas, carrots, French beans, cauliflower, onion and tomato. Now we'll make a masala paste. Into a mixer jar add poppy seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, black pepper, nutmeg, mace, coconut, garlic, ginger, green chilies, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Blend this to a fine paste and keep this aside. Now heat oil and ghee in a pressure cooker. Add a bay leaf and few cashew nuts. Saute until the cashews turn golden brown in color. Now add chopped onion and saute until it turns translucent. Once the onion changes its color, add chopped tomato. Cook the tomatoes till it turns soft. Now add the green masala paste and saute on low heat till it loses its raw smell and the masala is well cooked. Once the masala is ready, add the vegetables, peas, carrots, French beans, and cauliflower. Mix it well to coat them with the masala. Finally, add the soaked and drained rice, 2 cups of water, and salt as per taste. Gently mix everything. Close the pressure cooker lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium heat. Turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and fluff the pulao gently using a spoon. Serve hot with a side of raita or pickle for a complete meal. Do try this Andhra style vegetable pulao and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback.